Introduce features you're looking for and fast overview on KneeRover all-terrain steerable knee scooter crutches alternative in Canyon Orange. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. All new KneeRover all-terrain knee walker, now available in Canyon Orange color. The original all-terrain knee walker from the #1 knee walker brand. The all-terrain KneeRover knee walker is the most versatile and advanced knee walker in the industry, establishing a new level of durability and freedom of mobility for individuals recovering from a broken foot, broken ankle, broken leg, foot surgery, ankle surgery, or other lower leg injuries or medical conditions like ulcers. These indoor-outdoor all-terrain kneeling walkers are an excellent crutch alternative and feature 12-inch diameter off-road pneumatic tires designed to easily traverse grass, sidewalks, gravel and dirt with incredible ease and agility. This is simply not possible with most knee scooters available today. These steerable knee walkers offer an advanced automotive-style tie rod steering mechanism and new KneeRover stabilizer training wheel for maximum stability and control. KneeRover knee walkers are equipped with off-free detachable storage basket and feature tool-free assembly, setup and height adjustments. If you're new here, don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.